Alright, HVAC people, let me show you what we got going on today. So I got about 3 units that I'm gonna clean up. So we got 3 Lennox units that I'm going to start cleaning up. Dave Lennox Signature Collection. We got this one right here. So all of them look like they're in pretty good shape. So area served on this one, Study Master. Alright folks, so as you can see, the air handler is really getting easier and easier to inspect. I mean, even the furnace during the summertime. Especially all the newer units using like ECM motors, so really even no capacitor or anything like that to check on these right here. So just kind of do a lot of visual inspection, kind of just make sure all the connections are tight, no loose connections. But other than that, man, pretty much this visual inspection. The homeowner on this one changing the filter, I already flushed all the drain lines out. So like I say, easy peasy on this one. All right, now that I got all the units cleaned up, I'm getting the model serial number of the 3 condenser units. It's a 5-ton unit. Equipment 5-ton. Core condition is good. Alright, so we'll do the same thing with this one. System number 2. This is a taller unit, but this is a 3-ton. Filter condition is good. Filter size is an APPAREL. Drain lines clear. It does have a flow switch. Core condition was good. Refrigerant. Alright, gonna save that one. Go to this one. It's a little 2.5 ton. Oh man, don't you hate when they put these locks on here, folks? Hope I got the right key for this. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Let's see what we got here. Try these right here. We on to something. All right, so I just turned this one on. I'm gonna let it run for about 5 minutes. While I let this one run, I'll be checking this electrical. I'm gonna go ahead. All right, so this unit been running about 5 minutes. Just hook my gauges up to this one. I'm gonna go ahead and go upstairs and turn this unit here on also. We're gonna check both of these units at the same time. All right. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and log these. This one been running maybe about 10 minutes, so it's about ready to be logged. By the time I finish logging that one, I can go ahead and log this one. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. Like this one's kind of borderline. It's about 70-something degrees in the house. My temperature right now is 102. You see, when I first started this unit up, it was like 93 psi on my suction. So want to make sure you run it at least 5 minutes before you start logging your pressures. Go back here. So I'm on system 1 right here. I'm going to go to my condenser pressures, refrigerant pressure. So I got 102 over 260. Let me log that. I do one. Say that. Alright. If we need anything else on this one. Alright, so now I just go up and get my delta T and the voltage and the amps. Alright. So voltage and amperes. So I got 14 total amps. Compressor rated for 25. Fan rated for 2.8, so we are within specs, so we're good on that. Right. Fan right here. Fan 0.7. So all my electrical is within specs. Alright. Overall condition is good. So all we lacking on this one is the delta T across our evaporator coil. So I'm gonna go ready to wrap this one up. Try to do this one hand. one they're using is the compressor on here. So I got 71. Be rated for 70. So this cap is good. Alright, so I gotta remember here, I think the yellow going to the high. Red is coming. Make sure that was good. Over 254, so I'm gonna go ahead and start logging this. This one here been running maybe about 14 minutes. Pressure's here. System 2. Let's see, pressure, so I'm gonna do 125. Compressor. It might have been changed before. I rated for 40. Got 38.7, so that was still good. I'll put it back on. Alright folks, so they're using the capacitor for the fan on this one, so we're gonna check all three. All three terminals. Start up with the fan first. Alright, so I got 5 on my fan. Let's check the compressor. So I got 40 by 5. See what it's rated for. Alright, so it's rated 40 by 5 also. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and log these. I got about 119 over 207. 119 over 207. Could let this one run a little longer. No, I only been running maybe about 3 minutes. So I'm gonna let this one run a little longer. Overall condition is good. All right, so now I'm gonna go and check the temperature differential across the air handler. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my thermostat, and whatever my space temperature is, I use that as my return temperature. So I think it's like 70 degrees in the house. Right. Yeah, to make it easier, to make sure I don't have to poke a hole in my plenum or my flex duct, I just use the temperature of the thermostat. So the downstairs, like I say, is 70 inside. So I use that as my return. So I got 72 here. So we got to average about 70, 72 in the house. All right, like I said, I don't want to poke no holes in there, so I'm gonna use this one. Alright, so I'm gonna say this one is about 51, so I'm gonna do 70, take away 51, that's about 19. So on this one right here, this is the first level, at 70 at my thermostat. So air temperature within 15 to 21, yes. Alright. Here go one right here. This is for the second level. So second floor. See, already down to 50 some. I think second floor we was at 72. So that one, I'm gonna say about 50, I think, 51, 50. Yeah, so we got 50, so this is within specs. So all these look pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. All right, folks, so as I wrap that one up, we got another happy customer. Hey, looking for a good CRM software. You wanna free up some time, make it a lot easier for your customer. Make it look very professional. So click on the referral link so you can learn more about Jobber and learn how you can save also. Thanks a lot.